Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2001 Toyota RAV4 stock on a 6428. This ran from the 7th 2000 to the 10th 2003. It has a 1AZ FE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the 1AZ FE 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch fact alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear 16-inch fact alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch fact alloy maggot tyre. Right front guard, one dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch fact alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,